Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube channel name over on your mobile device. So in order to change your channel name, it's actually quite easy. So what you need to do is you need to open a YouTube app and you want to come right here down to your profile picture, and then you will be at this page. Then what you simply want to do is you want to click on view channel like this, and what you then simply want to do is you want to click on this little pencil icon next to manage videos and analytics. Then it will bring you to this page, and here you can change your banner, profile picture, but also your name and handle. So in order to change your name, you simply click on the pencil icon again. Then you want to simply type in anything you want. For example, just something random or whatever you want. And then you click on save. However, do know that you can only change your name twice in 14 days. So if you have your name changed twice, then you will not be able to change it again for another 14 days. So do keep that in mind. And if you want to change your handle, you want to simply click on the pencil icon, type in whatever you want, and do note that you can only change it once within 14 days. So keep that in mind as well. So that's how you can change your YouTube channel name on your mobile device. If you learned something from this video, then I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.